Tips and tricks on how to overcome diabetes easily. Untreated diabetes can cause injury, disease, and death. Therefore, it is imperative that you learn how to control this disease as quickly and efficiently as possible. The tips in this video are time-tested strategies for turning a deadly disease into something that can be managed and reduced to a minor annoyance. One key to beating type 2 diabetes is to lose weight. It's actually all the fat on your body that is causing you to be diabetic, so getting rid of it can literally cure you if you are type 2. Even a loss of as little as 20 pounds can have a profound impact on your health. For people with diabetes, it is important to check your glucose level after heavy exercise. Exercise can keep consuming glucose for up to 24 hours later, so it's best to check your glucose level every 45 minutes or so after your workout to see if your glucose level is dropping or remaining stable. Thintini buns are available at many grocery stores nationwide and are a tasty alternative to carbohydrate-heavy normal hamburger buns. These thinner breads are easier to eat as they're smaller than their traditional counterparts and they will provide far less carbohydrates to a diabetic. If you want a fun way to exercise, take your kids to the park. You can play a game of soccer or basketball, or just chase them around on the playground. Tennis is also fun and you can play with kids of any age. Pick something they enjoy and you'll enjoy it, too. Many healthcare providers offer diabetic classes for patients who want to be informed on their treatments. Find one in your area and get educated so you can take your treatment under control and know why you're being given what has been prescribed to you. You never know, it may save your life. A diabetic will need more than just a physician on his healthcare team. You should ask for a referral to an endocrinologist, they'll help you with your insulin, a registered dietitian or nutritionist, an optometrist or ophthalmologist, a dentist, and a podiatrist. Once you have them all on your team, you'll be ready to fight diabetes head on. Now that you have read these tips, the rest is up to you. Managing the complex array of dietary choices, medicines, and lifestyle factors that influence the course of diabetes can be extremely daunting, but if you take the tips you just read on board, you can live a long, happy life even with diabetes. Discover how 93% reverse type 2 diabetes with this odd diet hack. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Learn how a dying grandpa was saved from diabetes by his grandson. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Breaking news. Uncover how a new root cause of diabetes that was discovered by scientists. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.